thirsty, thirsty.
Do you want to order a drink? I think their lemonade is too sour, but they have coconut water, and it's really good. You should try it.
Laundry.
Flavor. Arrival.
Do they use them to break coconuts?
Braid.
Do they use them to break coconuts? Do they use them to break coconuts?
Salad always makes me thirsty, so let's order juice.
Actually, it had a different flavor.
Wow, there's fresh coconut water on their menu.
It's the burger. Beverage.
Beverage.
No, I've never tasted coconut milk. No, I've never tasted coconut milk.
Hungry.
Unpack. Laundry. Beverage. Unpack. Beverage.